modern farming techniques have significantly improved food production, and one key method is the use of fertilizers. Fertilizers add essential nutrients to the soil, helping crops grow larger, healthier, and faster, leading to increased yields. Another method is the use of pesticides, which reduces crop loss by killing harmful insects and weeds that compete with crops for space, light, and nutrients. Under natural conditions, when plants die, decomposers break them down and return important nutrients like nitrates to the soil. However, in farming, crops are harvested and removed, so this recycling process is bypassed. Farmers must therefore replace the nutrients using fertilizers. Fertilizers supply the essential elements that plants need for healthy growth, especially nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. These can be applied in two main forms. Firstly, organic fertilizers. These are made from natural materials such as manure mixed with straw. They are more environmentally friendly and help improve soil structure. However, they only replace a portion of the lost nitrogen, contain unpredictable amounts of minerals, making it hard to control nutrient levels. The second method is inorganic fertilizers. These are man-made and contain specific measured amount of nutrients. They are soluble in water, which allows them to be absorbed by plant root hair cells. Key nutrients that are found in these fertilizers include nitrates and ammonium ions, providing nitrogen needed to make amino acids and proteins, essential for growth, and a deficiency causes weak growth and yellowing leaves. Phosphate ions, needed to make DNA and cell membranes. They are used in the production of ATP, which stores energy. A lack of phosphorus leads to poor root growth and discolored leaves. Potassium ions. These help regulate enzyme activity, especially those involved in photosynthesis and respiration. They are important for the production of ATP and for the control of water movement in cells. A deficiency causes poor flower and fruit development and brown spots on leaves. And magnesium. These are needed to make chlorophyll, which is found in chloroplasts. Without enough magnesium, plants can't photosynthesize efficiently. A lack of magnesium reduces photosynthesis, leading to less glucose production. By supplying these key nutrients, fertilizers promote more photosynthesis, which leads to the production of more glucose, the energy source plants use to grow. This means faster growth, stronger roots, more flowers and fruits, and higher yields. However, while fertilizers are vital for modern agriculture, overuse can lead to environmental problems like eutrophication, where excess nutrients run off into rivers and cause algal bloom. That's why farmers must apply them in carefully controlled